Want to make more money? You do not need a magic trick. In this video, we will cover 5 realistic ways people can increase their income, starting with skills and side work. The first method is selling a skill. Think writing, video editing, graphic design, bookkeeping, coding, translation, or virtual assistance. Pick one useful skill and get good enough to solve a specific problem. Do not try to learn everything at once. Choose one skill, practice it, build 3 to 5 examples, and create a simple portfolio. Your goal is to show what you can do, not just say that you can do it. Once you have examples, look for potential clients. Freelance marketplaces, local businesses, creators, and professional networks can be places to find work. Start small, communicate clearly, and build a reputation. Another route is content creation. You can make videos about finance, education, technology, entertainment, or a hobby. A phone, good ideas, and consistent publishing can be enough to start. You do not have to show your face. Screen recordings, stock-style visuals, original graphics, narration, and educational explanations can create faceless videos. Focus on useful original content rather than copying other creators. Content can eventually earn through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate relationships, products, or services. Income is not guaranteed, and building an audience can take time. If you know how to solve a problem, you can package that knowledge into a digital product. Examples include templates, checklists, spreadsheets, guides, or simple educational resources. A good product starts with a real problem. Instead of making a huge course, start with something small that saves people time or helps them complete a specific task. Online income is not the only option. Local services can be practical. Photography, tutoring, computer help, social media management, cleaning, delivery, or helping small businesses with basic digital tasks. For example, a small business may need help creating posts or organizing digital files. A useful service is easier to sell when you explain the exact result the customer will receive. Sales is a valuable skill because every business needs customers. Learn how to understand a customer's problem, explain your solution, handle questions, and follow up professionally. Be careful with promises of guaranteed income, instant riches, or secret systems. Legitimate income usually comes from providing value, building skills, serving customers, or creating something people want. You do not need 5 businesses on day 1. Start with one realistic income stream. Get your first result, learn what works, and improve before adding another. Use some of your earnings to improve your skills, tools, portfolio, or education. The goal is to increase your ability to create value and eventually earn more. For the next 90 days, choose one skill, practice it regularly, create examples, contact potential customers, and track your results. Consistency gives you data to improve. A simple formula is useful skill plus real problem plus consistent effort equals an opportunity to earn. There are no guarantees, but this approach is much more realistic than chasing overnight wealth. Start small. Pick one path. Build a useful skill. Help real people. Keep learning. And protect yourself from scams. This video is educational, not a promise of income. Follow for more practical money content.